In this video, I'll be talking about CSS Image Brightness. So to do that, we add our HTML. We add our HTML structure. Then inside our body element, we now use img for image. Okay. Then uh, go to the location where my image is stored by using // My image is inside image folder. Okay. Then I want to use the image. Okay. If I refresh this page now, you see the image is covered the whole screen. It's not responsive, so I will set that inside the CSS. Okay. So the next thing we do inside our HTML is to link our CSS file to the index.html file. So to do that, we'll use link. Inside the link, you insert the file the way you insert the image, the CSS file the way you insert the image. Use dots and // Then you select your folder. What you are seeing here, that is this list that you're seeing here, is the content of our project folder. So when you put this // you just list out everything in your project folder. Then you select what you want. So I want to select my image, my CSS file, and it's inside the CSS folder. So click that, then I will select it. The name of the file is style.css. You can see that style.css. Okay. So I think I'm done with HTML. So let me adjust the screen. Okay. So inside our CSS, we'll be using element selector because we have only one element here. We'll be using element selector, which is img. So inside of us, I'll say img, not image, img for the elements. Then I open a declaration block. Inside this declaration block, what I will now do, for me, I'll first of all set, before I apply the brightness, CSS image brightness. If I apply the brightness to the image, I'll first of all make sure the image is okay. Okay, to do that, let me make the image responsive. What I have to do, I'll just use max width. Max width and set it to 100%. I set it to 100%, so it will be, yeah, it's now fit. Okay. So what I will now do next, to increase the brightness of this image, what I have to use, I'll use filter. Inside this filter, I will now use brightness, the value brightness. Then the value brightness accepts it have a kind of a parameter where it accepts its argument. So any number I put inside this brightness will definitely change the brightness of this my image here. So to do that, I will always start with 1. Okay, if I say 1 now, it's not that brighter. Let's make it 2. You can see how brightness is becoming. So if we say 3, it's becoming more bright. How about 4? More brighter. 5, 6. You can see that. How about 7? How about 8? How about 9? How about 10? Okay, let me do how about if I say something like 30 is not visible again. It has disappeared. Okay. Okay, let me leave it at 2. Okay, so this is how to do a CSS image brightness. First of all, you have to create the image inside your you have to create an image element inside your body element in the HTML. Then the next thing is to link your CSS external file. You can use internal CSS file if you want. You can even use inline, probably to work, but the best practice is to use external CSS file. Then you now add your image path to the image source. Okay, so that is it for CSS image brightness. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.